Kimberly, I love you. You look so beautiful today. You will always be beautiful to me today, tomorrow, and every day to come. Today I'm here to publicly show my love for you in front of God, family, and friends. I still think about our first date at the principal's office like it was yesterday. When I saw you in the hallway, I thought to myself, how did I score a date with such a beautiful girl? As many days have passed since our first date, we have shared lots of fun memories, many laughs, tears shed, and have even experienced life in a worldwide pandemic together. Nothing could make me more happier right now than to tell you these words. Kimberly, you're beautiful, you're funny, and you're really freaking smart. You challenge me to be a better man every day. From this moment, I will take you as my lifelong best friend for life.
Hi.
Hello. How are you? You look beautiful.
I really want to kiss you.
I want to kiss you.
To my dearest Nathan Marshall Salins. Certainly this day looks far different than what we could have ever imagined our wedding day to look like. But regardless, I'm thrilled that today we are about to be united in the most sacred covenant. In quite a raw form, I witnessed your love for thrilling adventure, your keenly observant eye for God's intricate creation, your immense patience, and your love of our mutually favorite ice cream, good old-fashioned vanilla.
Love is patient. Love is kind. It does not envy. It does not boast. It is not proud. It does not dishonor others. It is not self-seeking. It is not easily angered. It keeps no records of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It will always protect, always trust, always hope, and always preserves. Nathan, would you place this ring on Kimberly's finger and repeat, with this ring, I thee wed?
With this ring, I thee wed.
And Kimberly, would you place this ring upon Nathan's finger and repeat, with this ring, I thee wed?
With this ring, I thee wed.
Based upon the promises that they have made to each other and the vows that they have exchanged, I pronounce them to be husband and wife in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. You may kiss your bride. And for the very first time, I introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Salins.